Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to download YouTube on your PC or laptop using Google Chrome. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer and search for YouTube, or simply go to youtube.com. Once you're on the YouTube page, look at the top right corner of Chrome and click on the three dots. A menu will appear. Hover over the option called Save and Share. Inside this menu, you will see an option that says Install YouTube. Go ahead and click on it. A small window will pop up asking you to confirm. Just click Install, and YouTube will instantly install as its own app on your computer. Once the installation is done, the YouTube app will open automatically, and you can now use it just like any other application on your PC or laptop. And that's it. Now you know how to download YouTube on your PC or laptop using Chrome.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.